Today's video is just going to be a brief video about credit, and not just credit in particularly, because most of the time people don't worry about their credit until it's something that they need, whether it's a business loan, a loan in general, a new car, a new place, or they're trying to purchase real estate. So this is when most people panic, or they're told either, hey, you are approved because they have good credit, or hey, we can't approve you because you have some credit issues. And most people go frantic. They try to do all of these shortcuts, try to figure out what's the quickest way to build their credit. Well, I'm here to tell you some quick ways that you can probably jumpstart and kind of remove some of the negative items on your credit. Although it won't be overnight, it will be very, 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 very helpful. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pull your credit report. There's free ways to do this by going to annualcreditreport.com, or you can utilize websites like Credit Karma. Experian has a free option, but keep in mind, if you use an option like Experian, you have to pay to receive all three credit scores. And with Credit Karma only shows two of the credit bureaus. They do not show Experian. And with the annual credit report, they won't show you any scores at all, but you will get to see all of the items, everything that's on your credit report, and what's pulling your credit score down if you need to remove some negative items. So I strongly suggest you pull the annualcreditreport.com. And if you're more interested in worrying about watching your score while you're doing that, I do have a recommendation, and the link will be below. After you pulled your credit score, you definitely want to circle everything on your credit that is negative, inaccurate, anything that you see like collections, late payments, charge-offs, any negative student loans, any medical bills, any misspelling of your name, any old addresses, any wrong birthdays, wrong socials, wrong even employers. You want to make sure that you circle anything and everything negative or anything that's not accurate to date for you and your credit situation. One of the ways, or one of the main ways that you're able to dispute these things is because of accuracy. And because of the credit laws that work in your favor, you are able to do this. Even if these accounts are yours, even if you really made these mistakes, if they're not reporting accurately, you have the right as a consumer to dispute these things. So that is going to lead me to step 2 of this. So on step 3 of this. So once you have everything circled, all the negative items, you're going through everything, trying to see what's going on. Your third step is going to be to compose your dispute letter. To compose your dispute letter, you are going to basically, when it comes down to each account, you're going to go through each account and explain what it is that's reporting inaccurately and what it is that you want the credit bureaus to do because of this. For instance, if you have a late payment and you know you weren't late, that is inaccurate. You can basically say, hey, I was not late on this account for January of 2025. Can you please update this to paid on time? You can submit any of your payment statements or any of your receipts that you have showing that you paid it. If it's an account where, hey, you know you were late, for those type of situations, I recommend goodwill letters. If you're only like 30 or 60 days late, late 1 or 2 times, and you want to get those removed, those goodwill letters really work. And I have all of these letters and plenty of help and instruction inside of my credit repair DIY kit. I've been doing this for a while. I help people for free. I have a free Facebook group with over 6,000 people in it, and I've helped over 3,000 people to good credit, for everything from removing negative items, helping them rebuild their credit profiles, and also when it comes to funding. So most of the time people come to me because they want funding, and once we check the credit and check the profile, sometimes they're just not ready. So what we do is we devise a plan, and I help them put together dispute letters, dispute tactics, give them information and education along with this credit repair kit that I have, so that they can go out and dispute and learn the process on their own. I am an advocate for teaching you how to fish so that you can always fish. Therefore, if I teach you how to fix your own credit, you'll always be able to fix your credit. If you make a mistake, or if you have friends and family around that needs help, or they make mistakes, you can actually start your own business helping others if this is something that you learn, you like, and it works, and you like the changes that it's made for your life, and you know how it can help you. This is actually how I got started with helping people with their credit, because it changed my life. So I'm just gonna end this with, you know, you only live once, and you have to know that knowledge is power. And getting the right information, and not only just getting the right information, applying that information will change your life. So I hope this video finds you in a place where you are like, hey, I'm just tired of procrastinating with my credit. I keep hearing about all these credit sweeps and stuff. I'm just tired. I don't trust it. I just want to go ahead and do some legit, you know, factual credit disputing on my own and get these items removed and get my credit fixed. So if that's you, I am dropping a link down in the description, and I do offer credit coaching. Depends on if you are trying to get funding or if you want to buy real estate. So peace.